your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, the last of the thunderstorms out across the Lower Cape and Islands, but these storms, boy, they had a tremendous amount of lightning. Quite the light show, which is still ongoing across the Lower Cape and the Islands. In fact, even from the south coast of Rhode Island, you don't have any storms right now, but you can certainly see that lightning off in the distance. If you're watching us from Block Island, you look off to the east, you can see the flashes on the eastern sky as well. And there are the storms, and you can see it right in here. Looks like a little tiny shower has developed towards Horseneck Beach and another one near New Bedford. But the bulk of this is actually sliding offshore and away. To our north and west, there are a few more showers up towards the Berkshires, and one or two may come through overnight, but nothing like what we had late this afternoon. I want to get in real close. I'm going to take it back to around 4:30 this afternoon, and we were quite concerned about this thunderstorm cell right in here. This is the Connecticut-Rhode Island border, Route 6, Route 44, Gloucester, Scituate, Foster. We call this a supercell thunderstorm. In other words, it's a rotating thunderstorm, and it has this little appendage right in here, like almost like a hook. In fact, we call it a hook echo. And when we see this, it's usually kind of a red flag that there may be some rotation, and there was some rotation within this thunderstorm, and that's a tip-off that sometimes an isolated tornado can form. Turns out that this rotation had weakened. A tornado never formed, but it really had us on guard late this afternoon on the Connecticut-Rhode Island border. Show you some of the technology that we use when we're tracking thunderstorms. We can take like a cross-section, like a CAT scan, and we can look inside the storms, and we can look at it in 3 dimensions. We can take a look at the height of the storm, which was up to 30,000 feet. That's pretty significant. And we can get an idea of whether or not if it's producing hail or rotating winds or damaging wind. So looking at these storms in 3 dimensions tells us a lot. And it's the reason why we were very weather aware and why we actually issued a pinpoint weather alert last night. We were anticipating these storms to come through late this afternoon. New Bedford is quiet, though you see lightning off in the distance. Temperatures are in the upper 60s to around 70. It's a mild and humid night. Threat tracker overnight. Actually, you know what? You change that to low. It's no longer medium. No longer in a pinpoint weather alert, but you get the idea. Things have quieted down, and the weekend is looking okay. Watching this front off to our west as it passes through overnight may produce an additional shower, but nothing like the storms we had earlier today. Forecast this evening and overnight, generally partly cloudy, a little patchy fog. Now here we are tomorrow morning, partly sunny, upper 60s to lower 70s. And then during the afternoon, we'll go back and forth between clouds and sunshine. Look at the temperatures, not bad. Upper 70s to low 80s. Watch what happens late afternoon. Little tiny blip of green. Could be an isolated pop-up shower in a couple of spots. It's not a rain day, it's not a storm day, and do not cancel any outdoor activities for tomorrow. Just kind of a random shower in a couple of communities. But overall, it's a dry, comfortable day. Looking okay for tomorrow morning after some early morning fog, becoming partly sunny. And then during the afternoon, a cloud-sun mix, slight chance of a shower. Temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Beach is not bad once we get rid of some fog early in the morning. Sunday looks comfortable, and that dry weather extending into Monday as well, though warmer and more humid Monday, 86 degrees under partly sunny skies. Mike?
All right, Tony, thanks. Coming up next.